Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. It is the weekend, and after Wacky Wednesday's debacle, I've decided to go back to the tried and trusted swipe technique. So today I'm going to be doing a swipe. The colors I'm using are a sap green, nice bright lime green, cadmium yellow, and emerald green. I'm trying to sort of keep in the same color range there, and then my swipe color is going to be a copper. So it's going to be a little bit of an experiment. Right, first things first, let me get these colors down, and then we'll do the swipe after that. Okay, there we go guys, we've got the nice greens and yellows down. I'm just going to give it a quick flame to get rid of the bubbles. Okay guys, there we go. Got the colors down, and now I've got my swipe mixture, which I made runny as always with Floetrol, and I've just thinned it out with a little bit of water just to hopefully get the right consistency, and I've put some cells in here as well, so let's see how this goes. Okay, there's the first one. Let's get our paper ready. Give it a little spray. There we go. Let's get ready for the swipe. I'm hoping that this turns out nicely. Go, that's the first side. It's looking good. Let me just flip this around. Like that. Let's do the other side. I'm not sure we're going to need more swipe because there's quite a lot on here already. Go. Wow, that's looking great. Take that up, out the way. Yeah, I really like this swipe technique because it's easy. You sort of know what you're going to get, and it's quick. So, oh, look at all those beautiful cells coming up. I wonder if I should swipe here again. I've got it quite thick. Think about it. Yeah, so just this section here has got a little bit too much copper, but maybe I'll just leave it. I don't want to mess with these things. We know what happens when you start messing around with them. I'll give them one more flame here, and hopefully once this dries, we're going to get the beautiful reflective metallic copper coming through. Yeah, it's not bad. I quite like the different greens. As I've said before, green's not my favorite color, but this looks really nice. There's some good detail in here, some nice cells coming through. I think it's going to turn out nice. That's it, guys. Enjoy the rest of your Friday, enjoy your weekend, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. The more viewers we get, the better for everyone. As I said, it's always great to share our art with new people. So yeah, have a good weekend. I may do another pour this weekend depending what the weather's like, if I'm stuck inside, and if so, I'll see you then. But let's cut to the close-up. Have a good one. Ciao.